Hi guys, in this video of mine I want to show foreigners how to register on Alipay. Now what is an Alipay? Alipay is an application that enables you to make payments on your Taoba account, on your Alibaba account and your 1688 account. Now it is very basic for you to have a registered Alipay account to be able to make payment on these three websites that I have just mentioned. So if you're a foreigner out there, maybe you're from Ghana, you're from Morocco, you're from Namibia, you're from Nigeria, you're from USA, and you are from Ghana, whatever country you are from, you are not restricted. You can use this guide to register on your Alipay. So without talking too much, let's dive into downloading and creating an account on Alipay. Okay, so if you're using an Android phone, please quickly go to your Play Store, click on your Play Store and search for Alipay. But if you are using an Apple phone, quickly go to your App Store and go to the search bar and click on and search for Alipay. So I'm using an Android phone. I'll quickly click on the Play Store, then go to the search bar and type Alipay. It is so easy. So once you type Alipay, it's going to pop up like this. I'm going to click on the English version so I can get to read. As you can see on my screen here, I tried to install previously, so it's showing open. That is to tell you that I've already installed, so I can go ahead and open. But if you have not installed, quickly install and click on the open key. So once I click on the open key, it's going to pop out like this. Here you can select your country code, but that depends on the country where you are from. Okay, so wherever you are going to insert your country code. Then at this point, you will click on the search bar because that's the easiest way to search for your country code. Instead of scrolling up and down to go and search amongst so many, you're going to quickly type your country name here and the code will pop up. So for me, I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to go ahead and write Nigeria, and you can see it just popped out so easily. I'm going to click on Nigeria and it will insert the code instantly. So at this point, the next thing I'm going to do is to insert my phone number. Make sure that you start putting your number by omitting the first zero. Do you understand? That's the first zero from your phone number. So my number is 070, but I'm going to start with 70. Okay, so it's going to be like this. It's going to appear like this. The next thing you have to do is to click on the next button. All right, so once you click on the next button, you click on login via SMS. So a code will be sent to you and you go ahead and input the code right back. So a code has been sent. If you're having any difficulty registering with your MTN number, you can go ahead and register with your Airtel or Glo number because it is very convenient using those two numbers, especially for us here in Nigeria. So the code has been sent. I'm going to go right back and input the code. We have 683425. Let's go ahead and insert the code. I hope I don't forget. 6868. Make sure you insert the code quickly, okay, so that it doesn't expire. So 3425. So I'm going to allow it to go in. So in case you find it challenging, right, to insert code, you can easily use your email address as an alternative. Okay, you can use your email address as an alternative and go and copy your codes from your email and come back to insert. Okay, so the next thing we will do at this point is to try to generate a password. So I'll come below here and click on account. So once I click on account, I'll go to my settings. Okay, just follow me and pay attention to details. Okay, now whatever information you will input at this point, it is basic for you to write them somewhere, because when creating your 1688 account or Taoba account, you will use your username and password to create the account. Okay, I'm sorry for the calls that have been coming through. Then I will go ahead and click on accounts and settings. Okay, I'll click on accounts and settings. So once it opens, let's wait for it to open. Make sure you have stable internet to do all of this. Okay, I think I need to put my phone on flight mode so I can ignore all calls coming my way. But I still need my phone to be on, because if I'm going to use my email to register one or two, I will need a code or a message to be sent to that email. So I must have to remove that. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, let's go back and click on account and settings. I think the network is bad at this point, but we can be patient. Okay, just be patient with me to get what you need to get. So we have our email there, we have our phone number there. The next thing we need to have is our password. Okay, we can go ahead and log in or create a password at this point. So once you click on password, it's going to open and it will say change your password. So you can just go ahead and write the password you would like to use to create this account. What you need to do at this point is to click on yes, and make sure every password you be writing here, you're going to write it somewhere so you can remember to use it when you want to log on your 1688 account. Please take note of all these things that I'm saying, because if you come back to come and ask me your password, I'm not going to say anything because I wasn't there in your creation. So please take note of this that I'm saying. So I'm going to choose a password, and choose a password that you will not forget. Okay, right? So I'm going to cover it so you do not know what I'm going to use as my password. Sorry. Okay, so you can choose any password you want, right? What did I even write here? So you go ahead, let me change the password because I think all of you have seen the password I created, so it's not going to be secured. Okay, so I'll choose another password that I can remember, right? Okay, just stay with me. I don't want you to see the password I'm going to use. That's why I'm putting my hand there. So I will click on next. Okay. So let me use another password. I think that has been in use before. But just basically use a password you can remember. Then click on next. So you're going to so let's see the password we have and why it's asking for change. So we're going to click on next at this point. You say change your password using a different verification code. Okay. So a code has been sent to me. I'll go ahead and insert code. Okay. So let me see. I will go ahead and insert code. Okay. So I'll insert the code correctly. I think that was not correct. Okay, it was correct. So I'm going to choose a new password. I'm going to choose a password I will not forget. Okay. So my password have been saved correctly, right? Okay. So it's going to register. So let's check if so my password has been registered at this point. Okay, make sure you write it somewhere because you are going to use the password to um to register using your 1688 account. You can use it to register on Taoba. That's you're going to use your username and password to register on this account. So let's get to see if it's been registered. Okay, so this is all about registering an account on Alipay. So if this video is helpful to you, quickly like video, comment and share. Okay, so if you keep up with us, we'll be coming out with subsequent videos like this that will help you and guide you on how to register on 1688 account, how to register on your Tauba account, and more subsequent videos will be coming up. So why don't you just subscribe now, like my video, comment and share. Thank you for joining and watching to the end. My name is Belinda Stevens. Take care and see you on another video of mine. Bye.